9:30 p.m. and we are at probably Pune's best pub. It's a Friday evening and as you can see it's buzzing right now. It's packed, there's no place to stand actually. So we are standing at the bar counter. I am going to enjoy some locally crafted beer. Now Toit is a very famous place actually for its beers. Sorry, I'm running a little slow right now with my monologues because I had a couple of these. So right now I am having a beer called IPA, Indian Pale Ale. Atmosphere is amazing. How do you feel, Moini? No, there's no problem. Fair enough. So this is Toit. So actually, we didn't get a table here because we came a bit late. And somewhere over there, there's a counter where he's taking down the waiting. And our number is 70. So there's 69 people waiting before us. I don't know how much time it will take. I don't know if we'll get a table even. So we'll just hang around, enjoy our beer. I mean, Moini is not having beer, she's having
fresh lime soda.
Yeah, she's having fresh lime soda and I'm having my beer. So if our number comes, then we will get a table. Otherwise, we are planning to go to another place where we'll get a table to sit. So right now we are standing at the bar. And I'm planning to shoot this in one go. So we are 2 minutes and 50 seconds in. I don't know what. So I hope I can make this video interesting. It's a Friday evening, so it's jam-packed. And the drink that you see over here, this glass is I think for 200 bucks, so it's not bad. And the ambience is amazing. I really like the vibe of this place. It's a little far off from my house, so it took some time to reach, but the ambience is amazing. It's worth it, right? And let me just show you what this straw is made of. So apparently this straw is edible. It's made of rice, right? It's made of rice. It's a bit sticky on the hand. It's made of rice. So you can sip on your drink and then take a bite of the straw. Nice, right? And let me show you guys the counter, the bar counter. Good music, good crowd and good drinks. Now, unless we get a table, I don't think we'll be able to order any food. Yeah, it's a bit hectic. And look at the variety of beer that they have. Cool, right? Thankfully it's not raining because this is an outdoor place completely. Okay, I'm getting some stares over here for doing this. It's okay. We're used to it. You want to ask? भैया रोहन कितना टाइम लगेगा? रोहन Number 70 था.
Rohan, na?
Yeah. Ron. R-O-N.
46 number.
46.
We'll call you, sir.
Okay, we'll get a call.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Wait. In the meantime, let's just go and check the bar out. Wow, I like this place. Nice. The beer is really good. Really good. So the number is down to 46. Our number was 70, so 30 people have been taken care of. But still, 46 numbers to go before it's our turn to get the table. Let's see how much time it will take. We've been waiting for about 45 minutes now. It's a slanting roof, looks really nice with this, the hanging looks really good. This is the bar, we are inside right now. What you saw some time back was the bar outside. Guys, this beer is quite strong actually, so I'm definitely feeling it in my second glass. Almost done with it. I think this is 250 ml. So yeah, it's a good beer though. As we wait for our table, we're thinking what to do next. Should we order another drink or order it once we get the table, or then we go to a completely new place, because you know 30 numbers is still quite a lot. Someone's going to enjoy their milkshake. Wonder if it has alcohol in it. I doubt it, but you never know. So the indoor section is more of a family section. You can see some families over here. Yeah, overall nice place. I would recommend, if you're in Pune and if you're into locally crafted beer, then this is a good place to come. It's good. It's good. Good. And the food is also good. I think their pizzas are also amazing. So I mean, we could order a pizza over here at the bar counter, but then we don't have a place to sit. So we shall decide what to do. And speaking of milkshakes, that looks like a really huge slab of vanilla ice cream. Let's see, what do we have here? Ice cream. The man is trying to put his ice cream in the freezer. And Mohini is checking the food menu out. Mohini, you find anything interesting? Yeah, tell me what. Barbecue mushroom?
Yeah. Madras.
So they might add 30%.
Poppers. Have you ever heard that? Pullogare poppers.
Pullogare poppers?
Poppers.
What is it made of?
Poppers. Tamarind rice with that.
You want to try it out? I can't believe 250 into 500 ml of beer can get me quite tipsy actually. This has at least 5% of alcohol. I think that's what is written in the menu card also. Music is also good. I hope I don't get a copyright situation. And I am almost 4 minutes into this take. 4 minutes of non-stop shooting. You let me know in the comments which drink do you prefer. Are you a whiskey person or are you a beer person? I am a beer person, and sometimes I do have some rum, Old Monk. But I have never been a fan of whiskey. I've tried it many times, but never got hooked onto it.
Like this, make it pop. Like this, make it not like this, make it drop.
के पास साउथ बियर है. साउथ. Can I try it? Thank you. I like this. Very bitter and it's dark. Dark beer. I love it. Change of location, we are at Fat Pigeon now. We couldn't get a table over there, so we've shifted to a bar which is next to Toit. It's called a Fat Pigeon, and this is what it looks like. I think I have space for one more drink and also something in the main course. Let me see what they have to eat and then we will order it. So we are getting ready for the main course. This looks exciting. Malai kofta curry with I think what should we go for? Should we go for some naan or should we go for rice? Jeera rice or something. They've got jasmine rice also. I wonder what that is. I think they just add flower petals. Pasta. Alright. They've got dum biryani also. Dum biryani. You want to try that dum biryani? Yeah? Okay.
It's okay, we can have something else, don't worry.
Dum biryani is also. Yeah, dum biryani is good.
Yeah, to say. How is Malai kofta curry?
If you want to go with the roti, and then you should go with the malai kofta. It's nice here.
I think dum biryani is good, right? Hana? You have vegetarian biryani?
Yes.
Veg biryani? Yeah, so one veg biryani. And I want one Old Monk small with ice and water. That's it.
See, what do you want?
I think biryani is good. It's enough for 2 people, right?
Biryani or kofta curry with naan? Decide.
Kofta curry with naan.
Is it final order?
2 seconds.
Old Monk is final.
Yeah,
Old
yeah,
Monk is final with
water
water. No, don't add the water. I'll add it separate. So okay, we are struggling with 2 options here: the veg biryani and malai kofta with naan.
Decided?
Yeah. Sorry, I forgot. Once again. Bit difficult to remember, yeah, after 3 drinks and when you're vlogging and people around you. But anyway, let's see. Yeah, go for it. Malai kofta. Sure. Malai kofta and a butter naan.
Malai kofta and
Butter naan. One. Can you make butter naan crispy for me? Crispy. Very spacious place actually. I mean, Toit was a lot more congested. Even Detroit was open.
It was open, but still you couldn't see the sky. But here you
Yeah,
can.
maybe.
You need ice?
Yeah, I need ice. I think we're gonna have a music situation. Thank you. Yeah. Another 2. Alright. Thank you so much. Cheers. Good old monk. Dark rum. Yeah, it's really good. Strong. I've just mixed a little bit of water in it. So yeah, give it a nice punch. Yeah, Friday evening is going good so far. We're down 3 drinks and we're waiting for the main course. We'll see how it turns out. I like the swing setup. Alright, this is here. Malai kofta with butter naan.